I have a mission for you, Igor. Kill Grammar Monkey.
As you command, my master.
Well, Igor, did you kill Grammar Monkey?
No, master. I did not kill Grammar Monkey.
What do you mean you did not kill Grammar Monkey? Why not?
I tried, master. Even though I shot him 100 times, he would not die. In spite of blowing him up, he would not die. Grammar Monkey cannot be killed.
Well, that was exciting, wasn't it? And Grammar Monkey, not only is he good at grammar, he's good at dancing. But what we are going to look at now is what Igor said. Igor said, even though I shot Grammar Monkey 100 times, he would not die. In spite of blowing up Grammar Monkey, he would not die. These two words, even though and in spite of, are used to contrast two different statements. By that I mean we are telling the person, the listener, that something happened and then another action happened afterwards that was totally unexpected. You will not believe this happened. If you shoot someone 100 times, what do you expect to happen? You expect the person to die. 100 times, he's going to die. Grammar Monkey did not die. That makes no sense. So that's when you have one statement that connects with another statement that makes no sense. In spite of blowing up Grammar Monkey, he blew up Grammar Monkey with a bomb. You would expect Grammar Monkey to die. He did not. He lived. In spite of being blown up, Grammar Monkey lived. Even though I shot Grammar Monkey 100 times, surprise, he lived. He would not die.
Let's say we have a situation. She hates cats. So there is a girl, she hates cats. Now the surprising result is she owns a cat. This is unexpected. This is very surprising. If you hate cats, you're not going to own a cat. Now to introduce the surprising result and connect it to the situation, we can use even though, although, though. They all have the same meaning. Even though can be considered to be slightly stronger. So we say, even though she hates cats, she owns a cat. So we simply use the connector, even though, although, though, subject verb plus subject verb. Even though she hates cats, she owns a cat. Next, we can use in spite of or despite. After these ones, we need to use ing, or we can say the fact that, subject verb. In spite of hating cats, she owns a cat. In spite of the fact that she hates cats, she owns a cat. Now, one thing to remember is that the connector always goes in front of the fact. So you say connector first, even though, then we put our fact. Even though she hates cats, then we put our surprising action. Even though she hates cats, she owns a cat. The connector always goes in front of the fact. You can say the surprising action first, she owns a cat, then you put your connector, even though, then we put our fact at the end, she hates cats. The connector still goes in front of the fact, but we can just put the surprising action first. She owns a cat, even though she hates cats.
I say, hello, Paul.
Hello, Grammar Monkey. How are you going?
Not so good, Paul. Some crazy guy is trying to kill me. All I did was correct his grammar.
Yes, well, you shouldn't correct people's grammar, Monkey. People hate that.
Yes, quite true, Paul. Anyway, could you give me some examples using even though and despite, please?
Yeah, sure. For you, my furry little friend, anything.
So we have two situations here, two actions. Broken his leg, he is riding his bike. Of these two actions, which is the fact, the situation, and which is the surprising result? If we look at it, he has broken his leg is the fact, and riding his bike is the surprising result. So there you would say, even though he has broken his leg, he is riding his bike. In spite of breaking his leg, he is riding his bike. If you were to say, even though he is riding his bike, he has broken his leg, that sounds strange. It does not sound good at all. You need to use even though in front of the fact, not the surprising result. Okay, one more example. We have two actions. Sally is eating donuts. Sally is full. Which is the surprising result and which is the fact? The fact is Sally is full. The surprising result, she is eating donuts. So here you would say Sally is eating donuts, even though she is full. Even though Sally is full, she is eating donuts.
Thank you for watching this video. And if you are interested in practicing the complete lesson plan, contact us and arrange to have a private lesson with Paul. Thank you once again. This is Grammar Monkey saying goodbye, and until next time, take care.
No one corrects my grammar. You will see me again, Grammar